So here is another update on the Delta heat warmer thing. Here is my lettuce, and here's the kohlrabi, and there's some cabbage, so it's very slowly growing. Not sure where my peas are. There's a pea, so not much happening on those. And underneath there's a little bit of frost on that, but it's gone away. New, what was I going to show you? Oh yeah, the slate. So this is the new thing I've done. So a piece of slate. So this is a 1 foot 30 centimeter piece of slate, and it's just an offcut I happen to have. I'm not doing any slate jobs at the moment, so I don't have any more. But you can get these in 18 inches, which would be about 45 centimeters too, which would be probably ideal for dripping down. This has a temperature. I measured the temperature. It is 7.2 of the drips coming off, and it's on this now. So the temperature of the water coming in here is, oh shoot, I've forgotten, it's 3 point something I think. So it's a cloudy day, there's almost no solar radiation coming in, so it's 3.2 or something like that in there. And so it goes up and in and around. This is dripping slightly faster, so you got the, and plus it's a smaller surface area than the tin. So adjusting for that, which I can't do, so it's okay. So I'm sure people are not going to want tins and pieces of sheet metal in their garden projects, so something made of slate might be far nicer. And there's a temperature, so 6.7. Given that my piece of slate is half the size of the tin, or it's actually 1/3 of the size of the tin, plus the drip is a little bit faster here at the moment, and these drip speeds go up and down depending on the little bit of stuff that's in the water. It will block up slowly over time, and then the other ones will speed up. So it's kind of, as you can see, they're all dripping, and they've all been dripping for a few days. So this is working. The Delta thing is working well. So there we go, 6.7 as opposed to 7 point something from an area that's 3 times as big, and that is dripping a bit slower. So it's comparable, that's for sure. So 6.7 is the temperature. Slate is also an option, and it's a natural option, which I'm sure people will be pleased with. And my plants have survived the cold spell. I believe might be cloudy, like this is miserable cloudiness up there. So it might be cloudy for a while, but that is, we won't get the big 15-20 degrees in the water dripping down or anything like that, but at least we'll be maintaining the warmth. And you can see the lettuce here, which didn't get as much warmth, is considerably smaller than the lettuce here up close that was getting a drip of water. So we can, oh, and here's the other thing, forgot about this. On this I have some I grow flax just for fun and little Mickey Mouse experiments, but on this I have some flax that I just broke out of the garden, crumbled off the outside husks, and the fibres are just, it allows the drip to spread a bit, so it's taking more heat off than it would if it didn't have the fibres on it. And here's the other one, like, it's also spreads. If you can see on this one, even with this one little string that I didn't even break off properly, it didn't spread that much there, but here it comes down here and here. So that's another little option, some sort of fibre just to spread the material on it. This is the ceramic one, and the splashes means that the water is coming down in 2 or 3 separate places. On this one it seems, thing is moved slightly, so we're losing a bit of water here. But the splash on this, you can clearly see it. It means that it's coming down on two areas of this, so that means that it is taking more heat because it's spread out. It's instead of going one, it'll take more heat. So the thing is working, and I would urge people to get moving on this, because if you don't do it, if you wait for the top-down thing to happen, it'll be decades before people start using it. It works, that's for sure. And I wouldn't have these little seedlings today if it didn't work. Thanks very much. Bye bye.